Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be telling you 3 ways in which you can use this USB flexible light. The first way is you can use it on your power bank as a reading torch for the students. It's bright. You can bend it over like this. The light is intense, it's clear enough for you to read in the dark. Another way you can use this is through your system. For those of you that your system doesn't have backlight keyboard, sorry, my system has backlight keyboard. So for those of you that your system doesn't have backlight keyboard, you can use this LED flexible light to see what you're typing in the night, not in the day. Because there are some people that just use it in the day. I don't know why that. So something like that. You can use this and it's clear. You can use it to type. And the third way is you can use it through your power brick. You can use it through your power brick. If you don't have bulb in your house, just have since you have a power brick for your phone, you can just if you have a power brick for your phone, you can just plug this in and plug it directly to your and it works. It's flexible though. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you on my next video. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button.